Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a very simple raw bread with a very simple recipe. I hope you enjoy it and keep it here. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get started. Now here is where the process starts. You cut the dough into 3 pieces and make sure to leave. Don't cut completely up to the top. Just leave a small space to allow for continuity of the rope. Okay? And here we go. We start tying the knot. I understand that it's not a simple process, but anyway, have fun with it. And here we go. It is coming guys. Yeah. Keep going. At the end, lock it and then get to roll it up to make it a round knot as demonstrated above. Make sure that you seal the other side. You see that I also made some bonus croissants for us. Funny, right? Oh. And now we dive into baking. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for like 20 minutes and then continue baking at the same 180 degrees for around 40 minutes. Less than 10 minutes into baking and they are already rising, very much rising. And then here we are guys, after 40 minutes our raw bread is already ready. See how nice it looks. Kindly don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching. Subscribe.